Hi, I'm Dr. Leticia Kuda Mupawose. I'm the founder of Feso Africa. Feso Africa focuses on manufacturing of hair loss products and at the same time the services. So we do have clinics that actually sees the patients. So it's almost like a customer service for our products. And the products that we produce are mainly focusing on indigenous products that people used to use time immemorial on how to combat hair loss. I found out about Fund Hair and Insights through SAB Foundation. The moment I found out about them, I didn't really do much. And then in the evening, I went onto a link and registered. The following morning, I had a response, which I responded because I'm an early person. So around 6, I responded everything that they needed. And by the time it was 11, I had so many people calling me requesting for bank statements. I sent through the bank statements and I didn't go back to my emails because according to the emails, I got response like in 3 hours after I sent to the bank statements. And the following day, I got the funding. I was quite amazed at how fast the whole process was. And I still have people wanting to buy that loan from the other person. So yeah, I've got so many people wanting to fund me. This loan really is to be used for visibility of the business. I mean, I'm talking about the services, and also to relocate because we're moving from one space to the other. So I needed things like signages, moving, shop fitting and things like that. So that's what I'm going to be using the funds for. One of the biggest challenges that we have as small businesses is that we don't have cash flow management. If only we knew that from the start. Also, before you actually start a business, what I can tell you is go and learn financial management. To the business women out there, there is help. And you need to find out where to find help. Maybe you are failing just because you're not educating yourself and you're not finding out where to find help. I didn't know within 24 hours I could actually be helped. So for people that are funding SMEs, find out how to get in touch with the people that you need to fund and market yourself better.